Did you know that the Caatinga is the only biome that is exclusively Brazilian? It may seem dry and hostile, but it hides incredible biodiversity and plays a vital role in our country's fauna. Today, we will explore the importance of the Caatinga for the animals that depend on it and understand why we need to preserve it. What is the Caatinga? Definition: the Caatinga covers about 11% of the Brazilian territory, encompassing the states of the Northeast and part of Minas Gerais. Meaning of the name: from Tupi, white forest, referring to the whitened landscape during the dry season. Characteristics: semiarid climate, with irregular rainfall, rocky soils, and vegetation adapted to drought, xerophytic plants. Scientific data. Studies by the National Institute for Space Research, INP, highlight that the Caatinga is the biome with the highest rate of endemism in Brazil, with species that do not exist anywhere else in the world. The Caatinga fauna. Animal diversity. More than 500 species of vertebrates, including 178 species of fish, 221 species of reptiles and amphibians, 148 species of mammals, and 510 species of birds. Emblematic animals. Three-banded armadillo, Taliputes tricinctus, flag species of Caatinga conservation, known for its habit of curling up into a ball to protect itself. It was the mascot of the 2014 World Cup. Spix's macaw, Cyanopsids spixii, endemic species considered extinct in the wild until recently. Reintroduction is underway thanks to projects such as the one by the NGO Save Brazil. Puma concolor top predator essential for ecological balance. Adaptations. Animals of the Caatinga have developed incredible adaptations to survive. Many are nocturnal to avoid extreme heat. Others can store water in their bodies or resist long periods without drinking. Relevant data. According to the Chico Mendes Institute for Biodiversity Conservation, ICMBio, 12% of the Caatinga species are threatened with extinction due to deforestation and hunting. Environmental services of the Caatinga. Protection of water resources. Despite being a dry biome, the Caatinga is home to important rivers, such as the São Francisco, which feeds several regions of Brazil. Climate regulation. The Caatinga vegetation absorbs carbon, helping to combat climate change. Studies indicate that the biome stores around 2.6 gigatons of carbon. Maintenance of biodiversity. The Caatinga flora provides shelter and food for animal species that depend directly on it. Threats and conservation. Main threats: deforestation, for agriculture, livestock, and firewood extraction. Fires, natural or induced, affect flora and fauna. Hunting. Illegal hunting pressure reduces populations of already threatened species. Conservation. Protected areas. Only 1% of the biome is under full protection, but initiatives such as the Serra da Capivara National Park have made a difference. Educational projects. NGOs such as Caatinga Viva promote environmental awareness in local communities. Technology. Use of satellites to monitor fires and deforestation, as carried out by INP. The role of society. Education and awareness. Everyone can contribute by learning about the importance of the Caatinga and adopting sustainable practices. Conscious consumption. Avoid products that contribute to deforestation or uncontrolled exploitation of the biome. Support for local projects. Buying products from cooperatives that manage Caatinga resources sustainably helps preserve biodiversity and generates income for communities. The Caatinga is much more than a dry landscape. It is life, it is resistance, and it is home to thousands of species. By preserving it, we are not only saving a biome, but also ensuring a future for our biodiversity and for future generations. Let's do our part to protect this uniquely Brazilian heritage. Did you like the video? Subscribe to the Vet News channel for more content like this, and share it with anyone who can also benefit from this information.